Jan here has been working for SMEC for over 5 years now. What's your role within the company?
My role is I'm the technical manager of SMEC Europe, and I'm responsible for the technical support for all the European dealers, and also I'm introducing the development of our Siemens controllers. I'm a Siemens specialist.
Oh, fantastic. Now, what do you think of the show and the booth so far?
So the show is great, and our booth, you see, is very big. We have a lot of interesting machines here, like a multitasking machine, our newest model, our 5-axis machine, and this our new big lathe with a sub-spindle. We are showing the first time on the EMO show, and our big lathe, the SL4500, so there are a lot of interesting machines here.
I've got a question for you then. What is your highlight? What's your favourite machine?
Oh, that's a really complicated question.
Is that not fair? That's not fair to us.
That's not fair at all. We have a lot of highlighted machines here, so just come and see it.
Yeah.
And the customer can decide which one is his favorite.
And what excites you for working for SMEC?
What excites you for working for SMEC? Because we are a good team, and we are working good together, and we have all together some good developments and ideas, and it's like a family.
Fantastic. Thank you, Jan.